Okay, welcome back, guys. We're going to be solving another question from the second chapter of Meriam textbook by Meriam Dynamics. And we have at the instant represented the VB relative to a 3.5 meter per second. And in y direction, we have the x and y. This question. So what this means, VB slash A, it's going to be the velocity of B relative to A. So this is equal to VB minus VA. And obviously if we have VAB, it's going to be VA minus VB. So that's something that we should be familiar with, this B slash A or A slash B. And we need to determine the velocity of each body at this instant. We can assume that the upper surface of the block A remains horizontal. So it's going to stay at horizontal, this part. All right, so we solved the questions in the previous video. Basically, we're going to go with the length of the cable since we have one single cable that goes around these pulleys. So this is going to be our cable. Start here going around this one, and that's going to be the cable. And obviously, the length of this cable doesn't change at all. So let's just call that L. And what's going to determine the velocity of A and B is basically the length of the cable that we have. And we can just consider this dotted line in here and here, and can call this the SA, which is going to represent the displacement of these cables that is going to determine the velocity of the A. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here. And on the other side, what's gonna be for the cylinder B is gonna be this part, which we can call it SB. And we have some constant. So for example, we have this part that goes around quarter of the pulley, half of the pulley in here, half in here, half in here. And this is going to be all the constants that we have. That doesn't change at all. What changes is SA and SB. The rest of this won't change because the pulleys are also fixed, like I mean the top part. So we have, I'm just going to color code all the red part as our constant, and what's left is 6 of SA. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 SA plus 1 SB plus the constant that we talked about. So we know the derivative of this displacement S over T is going to give us the velocity, and that's what we are interested. So this is going to be constant, and this one is also derivative of that over with respect to time is going to be 0. So for this, it's going to have 6 dSA over dt, which is going to be the velocity of A, and we're going to have similar story for B. So basically we have 0 is equal to 6 VA plus VB. So we have two unknowns in here. Keep in mind that we also have another equation, which was velocity of B relative to A was VB minus VA, which the question gave us 3.5 meter per second. So that means VB is equal to 3.5 plus VA. So we're just going to plug this in the this equation. So 0 is equal 6 VA plus 3.5 plus VA is equal to 0. So 7 VA is equal to negative 3.5. So VA is going to be negative 0.5 meter per second. And obviously everything is in y direction. When this goes up, the B is going to go down. So VB is negative, meaning it's going down, and we just have to put one of this in here to get the VB. Our VB would be 3.5 plus VA, which was negative 0.5. So it's going to be 3 meter per second. Sorry, I made a mistake in here. So this is going to be VB. So VB is positive, which so B is going to go up and VA is going to, block A is going to go down. So VA, VB, that was negative 0.5 meter per second. And this is going to be 3 meter per second. We're not, hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video.